Okay, hello, good morning. So, today, remember, I have high expectations for you, please behave, okay? Alright, so if you remember, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? Remember, m is your slope, x1, y1 is just some point on the line, okay? So this is all the stuff that we have looked at, that we have experience with. We've done this, okay? Today we're looking at slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And b is your y-intercept. Okay, so remember, we did y-intercept. That's when it's in the form of 0, b, something like that, okay? All right, so we're going to write an equation in point slope form, and we have slope of 6 and passes through 1, 2. Well, if you remember from your notes, slope of 6 passes through 1, 2. We already have the point slope equation, so you're just going to copy that down. So we have y minus 2 equals 6x minus 1. We're copying that just straight from our notes from the day before. So now to get it into point slope form, what I have to do is start kind of shifting this around so that it will equal y equals mx plus b. So I am going to distribute this 6. So I'll get 6x minus 6. Okay, so it's starting to look better. I'm going to add 2 to both sides because remember I wanted to do y equals, so I get y equals 6x minus 4. So now this is in the form y equals mx plus b or minus b, it's fine. So my slope-intercept form is y equals 6x minus 4. And I would be done. Okay? So then you're going to do 2 on your own, and then let's look at 3. So if you notice, 3 is also very similar to this one that we did on our notes. So we have the same table, slope, point slope equation. So we're just going to pick one, and we're going to copy it over. So slope is negative 1/2. If you feel like you need the practice, please do. So m equals negative 16 plus 15, because minus a negative, and then 8 minus 6. So we get negative 1/2. And then remember, we're just going to copy this straight over. So y equals plus 15 minus 1/2 x minus 6. Okay? I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to start by distributing. So I get negative 1/2 x plus 3. And this does not change. Okay, now I can subtract my 15. So I subtract 15. So I get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 12. It's now in the form y equals mx plus b. So I can copy it down. Okay? Okay, so then you're going to do the same thing for 4. And then you're going to do the same for 5 and 6. This looks just like the notes that we did on Friday. So please look back so that you are able to copy over the point slope form equation. Okay? So this is what you're working on next, the notes. You're finishing page 5 and 6. And then when you're done with all that, you are going to your practice, which is right here. So page 7, 8, and 9, okay? So that's what you're working on next. So you're going to have to skip this page and then just go straight to page 7, 8, and 9. All right, remember to behave and you must be working. I'll be checking this tomorrow.